Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to Hu's Kitchen. Today, we are going to teach you how to make one of the most popular dish in China, spicy aubergine. In Chinese, it's called 鱼香茄子. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give my video a like. Now, let's get the dish started. For this dish, you will need 1 onion, 1 spring onion, 2 aubergines, 1 red bell pepper, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons cooking alcohol, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 tablespoons Chinese vinegar, 1 tablespoon spicy bean paste, soy sauce mixture, contain 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. First of all, chop the aubergine to long thin slices. In this dish, we will need to deep fry or shallow fry the aubergine, so we need to prepare the aubergine for frying. What I prefer to do is deep fry, so aubergines can get soft really fast. Put some kitchen rolls into the bowl. Put your aubergine slices on top of it. Put around half teaspoon of salt into the bowl, mix well, and leave them on the side for 10 minutes. The purpose of this step is making aubergine sweat. What I mean by that is to get rid of some water from the aubergines. Create some space for oil and sauce soak into them. Chop the red pepper and the onion to long slices as well. Then finely chop garlic and spring onions. As I mentioned from the start of this video, I'm going to deep fry my aubergines. Take the aubergines out from the bowl. Use some kitchen roll to dry them, because lots of liquid just came out of them. If you choose to shallow fry them, make sure you fry both sides evenly until the aubergine is soft. Then put them on a plate or into a bowl with some kitchen roll cover them as well. Make sure no extra oil left on the aubergines and leave them on the side to cool. Warming up a frying pan, add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Just remind you guys, because we just deep fried the aubergines, so the whole cooking progress doesn't need to use lots of oil at all. Once the oil warmed up, add the garlic and half of your spring onion. Leave another half for decoration later on. Fry the garlic and spring onion until you can smell the delicious, beautiful smell come from the pan. Then add your onion and red peppers into the pan as well. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Cook for 5 minutes. Then take the veggies out and put them into a bowl for now. Add about 1 teaspoon of oil and the spicy bean paste into the pan. Fry for 30 seconds. Then add cooking alcohol, soy sauce mixture, Chinese vinegar, and sugar. Mix the sauce well and let the sugar dissolve. Then add 5 tablespoons of water into the pan. Cooking the sauce until bubbles start to appear in the pan. Add all the veggies back to the pan. Mix well with the sauce and cook under the low heat for 10 minutes until the color of the sauce is dark, shiny, and thick. During the 10 minutes, make sure you keep stirring it in case the sauce will burn on the pan. The final dish should look like this. If you want to make the dish look darker or lighter, add more or less dark soy sauce. Serve a dish in a bowl with rice. Add another half of the spring onion for decoration. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy making this dish. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will see you guys next week with another delicious dish. Bye.